Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to open your dollar bead bag and dollar bead box for May 2023. And I took a little peek and it's gorgeous. Okay, so let's take a look at the bag first. So the dollar bead bag is $8 a month. It's a subscription and you get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And subscribers can reorder May items through June 2023 for $1 a strand. I also have a coupon code, which I'm going to try and get up on the screen here somewhere and in the description box below the video that you can use on the bag or the box or both. All right, so we're going to start with the 3mm strands. So we have pink opal luster. Gorgeous. I love anything opal. That's really pretty. And then we have the light rose gold luster or light amethyst. So this looks like the rose to me. Very pretty. Let's see if I can get a real close up for you. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Then we have multi-bronze mix. And this is right up my alley. How gorgeous is that? Look at those colors in there. So we have bronze and a little copper and a little like purplish color and a little, just so pretty. Look at this. Look at the glow on them. That's beautiful. I'll be reordering that guy. Matte vintage bronze or crystal vintage bronze, and that looks like the, I don't know, I think it's probably the matte or the crystal. Sometimes I get them wrong, but it's beautiful. Okay, so those are your 3mm. Let's go to the 4. You have a very bright yellow here, opaque yellow, and this looks just like the flowers that I planted in some pots and put on my deck. They're either violas or pansies. I'm not sure which is which, but they're so pretty. I'll have to look that up. But they're just gorgeous. I love them in these bright yellow color. And then I have some in this color too, deep fuchsia. So these are gorgeous flower colors, aren't they? That's really pretty. Let's see if you can get a look through the light coming through it. Oh, that's beautiful. And then matte ochre. So love a matte bead. And look at how this looks. Like sometimes you think, what am I going to do with this color? Because it's, you don't see it that often. Gorgeous. And then put it with this. That's a gorgeous combo. All right. Let me get back to, I digress a little bit. There we go. So here's the ochre, the matte ochre. You get 50 beads to a strand, by the way. And then crystal fire orange, which is beautiful. Look at that sparkle. These are really pretty. All right, so here you go. Here's your dollar bead bag. Okay, so I'm going to clear this off and we will get a look at the box. Okay, look at this. How pretty is that? Look at these gorgeous colors. This is everything in the box. Taking it out. We've got beautiful pinks, got luster here, a little peach, a little fuchsia. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Gold. All right, here's the letter. So they're going to be traveling to Europe again, and I guess, to where they source all their beads. So that's kind of cool. So, that'll be fun to see what they come up with. They said they'll be a little bit short-staffed, so your items may arrive a day or two late. I could deal with that. Okay, here's all their social media. Here's their support. Here is the other side where we have the list of everything that is in the box. Okay, let's start with the strands. Okay, let's start with the strands. We have 8mm check glass cherry flower in dark pink, 18 pieces. And that's beautiful. Look at the luster on that. That's so pretty. Just so summery. Next up we have this check glass beaded chain. You get 18 pieces of the cherry flowers, by the way. So this is a 7-inch piece of check glass beaded chain, multi-mix. And you could just make a bracelet out of this. 1, 2, 3, done. Or you can add a chain to it, make a necklace. 1, 2, 3, done. You can take it apart. I love all these different colors, very summery, beautiful. Next up we have a check glass pearl and the 6mm in peach. You get 20 pieces. That's pretty. And I'll just go over to the next one, which is a check glass pearl as well in 3mm and also in peach. And this is the way I always order my beads. I know I'm a broken record. Same or similar colors in different sizes. Look how pretty those are together. That's gorgeous. So for the 6mm, you get 20 pieces and you get 40 for the 3mm. Next up, we have the 3x8mm check glass 3-hole Cali bead, opaque carnation pink. I love this color. 25 pieces, and I think we need to cut these open so that we can actually take a look at what the bead looks like. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is such a great color. And look, it's the 3-hole bead, and it's such I love the color. I think it's so pretty, so saturated, but yet beautifully soft. Love it. 25 pieces in these little Cali beads, by the way. And the next up we have 8mm check glass melon bead, and this is pink with silver speckles or raspberry copper. This is raspberry copper. So you see you've got that sort of raspberry color and then the little copper flecks. Oh, I love anything copper, so gorgeous. Copper with pink or purple, so pretty. Those are gorgeous. Next up we have 6mm check glass Lucerna bicone, pink or pink opal. These are just the pink, and 25 pieces, and these are those bicones that are not faceted. I love these, and I'm eyeing some beads, well, and these to make a chain for a very pretty bead that's coming up. Very nice. Let's look at the additional items. We have a 7x10mm check glass tulip bead in crystal fuchsia, 8 pieces, and I just love the fuchsia. Isn't that pretty? Just look at this color story. I'm loving it. Next up we have 3x6mm check glass rondelle, orange opal, 14 pieces, and that's really pretty. It's it's got striations and it looks a little bit like a stone. And look, what a pretty color. Again, look at these together. So nice. Okay, next up we have a, where are we? 14mm check glass flower, pink opal with copper wash, 2 pieces. And that's really pretty. I love the copper. Gorgeous. We have so many of these from previous boxes. Why not just put them all in a row with a pearl in between and just make a big flower necklace. Love it. Next up we have a 4mm check glass Druck bead, opaque red. You get 50 pieces on this one. And I love that. That's so pretty. It's a great color. Again, looks so beautiful with the rest of these colors. Wow, love it. Next up we have a 5mm check glass hexagon, full coat gold, 8 pieces, and that's really pretty. Beautiful. Next up we have 12x14mm check glass pillow beads in pink opal, 2 pieces, and look at these cute little pillows. Love, head pin, ear wire. You got earrings for the summer for the little pink dress that you bought. So pretty. Okay, next up we have a check glass center drilled flower, 14mm, bright pink copper, 4 pieces, and this so pretty. So this is what the back looks like. Here's the front. Well, look at the changes in color when the light hits it. That's gorgeous. Love. So we have a 26mm round brass stamping, 1 piece, and so this is really beautiful. And all I'm thinking is, like, here we have center hole, that one guy's in there, and you could make, you could just decorate. You could even decorate. You can do a pin. You could even decorate like if you make your own greeting cards. Wouldn't that be a pretty decoration on a card? Love that. You can make a pendant out of it. That's pretty. Okay, next up we have 9x20mm check glass drop, garnet with bronze, 2 pieces. This is so pretty. I love this. Wow, I just love all their different, like, unusual focal beads and drops. So nice. These are gorgeous. Again, I'd make a pair of earrings out of these. They're so pretty. Or just, use it as a drop on a pendant. But look at the color on that. The bronze is so pretty. And look at that, I don't know if you can see the glow on that. The garnet glow. Love it. Next up we have a 10mm check glass bellflower yellow lilac crystal, 2 pieces. And that's a very cute little bell. I love the lilac and the yellow together. You can make a little tassel out of this, a little pair of earrings, put a drop. I don't know if this one is too big, but you can put any kind of drop through the bottom there, like that. So cute. Next up we have a tiara cast charm, and look at this cute little honeybee, antique gold plated, 12x12mm. Isn't he adorable? So cute. Okay, hello. This is a bonus item. I can't believe it. This is a 25x30mm purple agate oval. So this is a stone, you get, of course, just this one piece. And look at that. That is your bonus item. That's gorgeous. So this is what I was looking at when I was saying, wouldn't these beads look pretty as a part of the necklace? Any of these would look gorgeous. This one here, I think any of them would look beautiful. Or this, you can use this with it. I think that's stunning. So, I mean, I'm going to bezel this because, I mean, that's a gorgeous piece. Look at that. There you go. Are they knocking it out of the park these days or what? So here's your bead bag right here on the side, right there. Right there. And then here's your box. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Love it. Love it. The color choices are just stunning. All right. So please look in the description box below the video for a link to the Dollar Bead Club website. You can look on the website and see the box. I didn't even go into the box price, and also it's as low as $18.50 a month, and it goes up, depends on how long your subscription is. I'll put everything in the description box below the video, plus my coupon code. You'll get $2 off your first bag or box, or anything on their website if you're a member. So great deal and beautiful beads. And again, I want to thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.